Hello there everybody, thank you for logging back to my channel. My name is Robert Keshe, instructor here at Robert Keshe Tutorial. Today we are going to take a look at using Adobe Premiere Pro to create this sort of glitch distortion effect. It's really cool and really easy to perform this effect on your own, so I hope you are going to enjoy it. Kindly hit the subscribe button as well if you do enjoy it, as well as the notification bell. Okay, so let's jump in and see. Okay, so we are going to delete this sequence and create a new one. Let's call this glitch effects. Okay, so when I have this sequence being created, we are going to drag our file onto the timeline. Change sequence settings. Okay, I think we can hear some sound beneath it. We are going to delete it for the moment because we are not going to need it for now. And out we go. Okay, there you are. So what we are going to do next is we are going to use the color balance to create this sort of glitch effect. So what you are going to do is you are going to visit your effects panel, then you search for RGB color. I think that's it over there. Drag it onto your timeline and onto the file in the timeline. So when you have this being done, you can see that the color balance of each properties being pop up here. Okay, so what you are going to do is you are going to turn off we are going to drag down the red color to 0, and we'll do the same for the green color. So when you have this being done, you can see that the blue is active with 100% of its color. What you are going to do is you are going to duplicate the file on the timeline. So you hold your Alt key, then you drag it one step at a time. Do the same time for the V3. So each layer is going to have its own color. For the V1 has the blue color as its color. For the V1 has the color blue color property on its own. So we are going to give the video to the green color. Then we will give the red color to video 3. Okay, so when you have this done, you can see that because the video 3 is the red color is sitting on video 3, that one is currently active, showing. What you are going to do is you are going to visit opacity in the effects control. Then for the video 3, we are going to select screen for the blend mode. Then we are going to do same for the video 2. When you have this been done, you can see that our picture has been blended to our normal picture. Okay, so what we are going to do next is we are going to use this color balance to create this sort of glitch effects. So we are going to start from the point of which we think this glitch effect is going to be good for you. When you start with the video 3, we are going to visit our motion properties, and when you offset the position of the video, you can see that this color has been separated. We are going to use this scale to create this sort of glitch effects. So what you are going to do is you are going to create a keyframe for the position, for scale, and you can add rotation if you really want it. I don't know the way you want your video to be, so you can add your rotation if you want to rotate this color too. What you are going to do next is you are going to create this glitch effect with keyframe after keyframe. So when you press one keyframe forward, you can drag the color and you can see that goes in there. Okay, then you can scale it up a little bit too. Just be creative. You can do anything of your choice. It's kind of not complicated, just simple as you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so we are going to do this with 10 keyframes, and I think this is our third keyframe. It's super easy, super really cool, as you can see what I'm doing over here. I don't know the number of keyframes you obtain, so we are going to count it from the beginning of our animation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, that's unnecessary because we can actually do create this effect with any number of keyframes you want. So we are going to do this with 10 keyframes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think 15 keyframes will do. So when you are at your last point of your animation, you have to reset everything. I mean, being the position and the scale. When you have it done, you can see that the first color which is sitting on the video 3, I think that is the red color. We have this sort of this glitchy effect. That's it. So we are going to do the same for the other videos too, which is the V2 and V3. You have your V2 selected, being active. You press on the keyframe for position, keyframe for scale, then start to animate it. Okay, really cool and easy. Next one. Next one. It's really easy to perform this kind of glitch effects on your own. Super cool, super easy. Unless you don't know what you are trying to achieve, it's really easy and really cool. Okay. Okay, so we fit our last keyframe. Okay, so we are going to do the same thing for the video one. Yeah, hit on your position and hit on your scale too. One keyframe forward. Then you drag the colors off. It's super simple, super easy, and this is going to be done within some few seconds. I'm gonna say few minutes though. Okay. So when you are at your last keyframe, make sure that you reset the values of all the position. Like you are going to reset the values for the position and scale, and that one too is going to create another keyframe for you. Okay, so that's really cool though. So you can have a preview of it. Okay, this is really cool and really easy to perform. So what we are going to do is we are going to play around with our color. So we go to geometric color from the other side of your panel. Okay, so what you are going to do is you should I think you should play around with your colors and to have this sort of this glitchy effect for you. So temperature, higher tints, go there, exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, creative. So sharpen, vibrance, saturation. So, and we are going to have this colorful effect on your video. So what you are going to do is you are going to drag you are going to reset these keys or these colors at the beginning of your effects or at the beginning of an animation. So we did change the values of creative, intense. Oh fuck. Okay, so we are going to change the values of the colors we just changed, or we are going to create keyframes for these colors. You can see that because we haven't created any keyframe for these colors, it has affected the whole video of the effects. So what you are going to do is you are going to create a keyframe for everything that we adjusted in the lumetri color. So intense, sharpen, vibrance, saturation, okay, curves. We didn't visit the curves panel, so let's go back to where we were. Basic corrections. Set keyframe for temperature as well and things. So what you are going to do is you are going to drag the bar to the beginning of the glitch effect, then you reset every value that was being touched. Create keyframe for the remaining colors, then get back to the beginning of your effects, then you reset every value that was being changed at the color scope, the lumetri color. Then you drag your bar to the end of the effect and do the same over there. Reset. After this being done, you can see okay, sharpen, reset. Reset over here too. So when you hit on the space bar, you are going to have a preview of the glitch you just made over here. So glitchy and so wonderful, really easy and really cool. What we are going to do, because this video is I think sort of too long, we are going to trim out some part of this video so that it doesn't take long when we are going to render this. Okay. Really cool and really easy. I know you've really loved this video. Kindly hit the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave your comments as well. Don't forget to like the video as well. You can ask you can leave any questions in the comment section, and I can do my best. I'm going to do my best to answer every question that you are going to ask here. So a last preview of it, and really easy and really cool. Thank you for watching my video. Keep it locked, be creative, and keep practicing. Bye.